Hello everyone, welcome to Tyson Beswick's Take Tuesdays. My name is Tyson Beswick. This week on Take Tuesdays, I've decided to just take you through the process of cleaning my Russell Hobbs 18-inch mist fan that I unboxed in a previous video. I haven't used this fan in about 6 months, and I thought it would be useful for most users to see the cleaning process. I'll also go through some of your comments while you watch the cleaning process. Please, if you have any questions regarding the cleaning process or anything regarding this mist fan, please drop them down in the comments below, and I'll definitely come back to you either by replying to your comments or by making a video such as this one. I will try to go through each and every comment that I got on the previous video and answer or reply to each and every question that I got regarding this fan. So the first comment: can I put cold water in the mist thing? Yes, you can put cold water. You should always put cold water. I experimented with ice cold water and it was so refreshing. Next one says, Take Tuesdays. Thank you, say Courage. The next one says, if there's no cold water, it can run still? Yes, it can run without cold water. You just need to switch on the fan and then it runs. It can work as a standalone fan, and it can also work as an additional benefit to have the mist on. Hi Tyson, my name is Pam. I have a Russell Hobbs mist fan. Please help me. The fan stopped working. How can I have it repaired? Hi Pam, I hope I can be able to help you, but I need you to answer a few questions. When you plug the fan on, does the red light come on? When you press the on button on your remote, do you hear a sound or does anything happen at all? Please respond to that so that I can guide you accordingly. The next one says, wow. And my response to that is thanks. Is it cold mist or hot mist? The response to that is, it's cold mist. Always cold mist. Hi, what about if I lost the remote? How do I put the fan on? Because other things are working, but only the fan is not. Thank you. So my response to that is, if you have lost the remote, you can use the second button from the top, the on or speed button. That's how it turns on. And I know it can be confusing because I also thought the very top button was the on button, but that's not the case. How about noise? Well, the noise is white noise. If you know about white noise, it's the kind of noise that can get you to sleep. So there's no noise, basically. It looks like my blades are no longer working, but the mist is there and switches on, but it doesn't blow. Sounds to me like a more technical issue. If your fan is still new, I suggest you take it back to the supplier for assistance. But if you go to your fan, the very top button is the off button. The second button from the top is the on or speed button. If you press that button, your fan should come on. If not, please check your blades. They may not be aligned correctly. If your blades are not aligned correctly, either you get a bad feedback or a funny sound, or the fan does not rotate at all. So please check that and come back to me on the comments below. Water bottle test sold me. Thank you, Ethan. I really appreciate that. Can I get a price for this fan and where can I buy? This fan is going for about 3,749 rands, and that's about $214 US. You can buy it from Take a Lot. So the next one says, hi, I follow the same assemble steps you have shown, but it makes a noise. It's like the blades touch the guard when it's on. Did I do something wrong? There is a very small misalignment. Remove the blade and make sure the small holes on the blade align with some tiny knobs on the motor before you screw it on. So I'm showing it on the screen right now to demonstrate what might have gone wrong. I suspect that this is the issue. So try this and let me know on the comments below. And the next one says, thanks for the info. P.S. You can certainly do away with the music. Thank you so much for that, PG Charlie. I'll definitely do away with the music in the next video, such as this one, where you don't hear background music. Thank you. The next one says, "Hi, it feels like the mist coming out does nothing to cool me down. It feels like it's just gas coming out." I agree. Sometimes you don't feel the effects or the benefits of having the mist, especially in hot weather conditions. But the other benefit of having this mist on is that it acts as a humidifier for your room. I hope this helps you. Thank you. The next comment is from Angelo Lewis 22. "Hope you do notice me. It is operating also to swing the fan, even not to use the remote." Angelo, I suggest that you send another comment below so that I can try to get to your comment. I don't seem to understand your question because you say it is operating also to swing the fan, even not to use the remote. So I think that you're asking if you can use the fan without the remote, of which my answer is if you use the second from the top button, the button that is written on or speed, that is the button that's going to turn your fan on. So it's going to start spinning the moment you press that button. Thank you. The next one says, "Thank you. Thank you." The next one says, "Rechargeable, right? Can I use without light?" So the question there is, the user wants to know if this fan has an inbuilt battery so that you can use it even if you do not have electricity. So I know in the Southern Africa region, electricity is an issue. That is the case in Zimbabwe, and that is the case in South Africa. And the answer to that is no, you cannot use this fan when you do not have electricity, when you do not have light. You can only use this fan when you have electricity or if you have a solar installation in place. So it does not have a battery inside. You will need electricity. You will need to plug it in each time that you want to use it. I hope this answers your question. Thank you. The next one says, "The mist is not coming out. What did I miss?" So I'm going to try and show you this video for you to see if you have not made a mistake in your installation. There's a common mistake. If the water tank is not aligned correctly, then the water may not be coming out. You should also check if you have pressed the mist button for the mist to start coming out. If those two do not work, please write in the comments below and let me know if your problem has been resolved or not. I'll be happy to assist. How quiet is the fan? The fan is quiet enough for you to leave it on. You won't hear it. It won't disturb your sleep. I hope that answers your question. The next one says, "Hello. Can I add essence to the water to get some nice aromas like lavender essence and stuff?" My response to that is I do not recommend you adding any essence to it. The whole idea of this being a mist fan is for you to be able to get a fan and a humidifier at the same time to avoid such things as dry throats. If you start putting essence in it, I have not tried that, but I suspect that may tamper with the components of the mist function. Please do not try that at home. Oh, the next one says, "Thank you for your hard work. The music is too loud. Love from Nigeria." Hi, Dolapo Kasabino. Thanks so much for the amazing support. Thanks for pointing out the music levels issue. This is something that I've been working on improving in my recent videos. Thank you. The next one says, "I just ordered one. Hope this video will help with assembling it." Yes, I hope so too. I hope you'll be able to assemble it and let me know how it goes. If you have any challenges, drop them down in the comments below and I'll definitely come back to you, or I can make another video to assist you on any areas of difficulty. Thank you, Lindo. The next one is coming from Darius and it says, "How cold can it get?" Is it as cold as an AC? I want it at least cold enough so that it still feels cold when I'm using my PC. So the answer to that is the mist is not going to be significantly cold. There's not going to be much of a difference from your normal fan. The only additional advantage that you have from the mist is that it acts as a humidifier. Apart from that, you may not notice the effects of the mist, especially in very high conditions. I'm suspecting from your question you want it to be as cold as an AC, but the answer is no. It's not as cold as an AC, and you might as well get an AC if you want something that cold. I hope that helps you, Darius. Don't get this if you want an AC cold. The next one, all the way from India, says, is this product available in India? Because here the price of these fans are too much, starts from 8k to 15k INR. So I've done a quick search for you, and unfortunately, yes, the prices are going from 8k. The next one says, the best assemble procedure, review is a bonus. Thanks, Tyson. Thank you so much for that. I really appreciate it. Thanks. The next comment is from Zuva7. Thanks for this. Your video is the only reason we got the fan working. This is music to my ears. Thank you so much, Zuva, and I hope you're still enjoying the fan to this day. The next one is from Rose Sharon. So, does this really keep you cool, or does it cause your furniture to get wet and moldy over time? Hi, first of all, thanks so much for a very good question on getting the furniture wet. This fan really does keep you and the room cool. It doesn't cause your furniture to get wet, moldy, or anything as long as the blades are running. If you switch on the mist only while the fan is not running, that's when the floor and the furniture close to the unit gets moldy or wet. So just keep the fan running and your furniture is safe. Thank you. The next one is quite a long one. It says, misting fan needs high pressure to gather fine water spray like fog, not like mist. This allows the cooling can evaporate quickly using the heat and the air. A lot of the domestic retail stuff like this is a toy. Go see a proper row of misting fan in a venue cooling its customers, and you will be surprised how well it works and how much it actually costs. You need high pressure pump, fine stainless steel nozzle, and plenty of water feed. Thank you for that. The next one from David Mora says, I like how quiet it is, how well it works, and fastly cool. This was perfect to help air out a guest room and to use instead of an AC when I only want one room kept cool. Works great. Thank you for that. Next and last one comes from Samantha Duncan, and it says, Hi Tyson, your video review helped me so much. When I unpacked everything out of the box, I started to assemble the fan and it was a battle. Thank goodness I found your video. My gorgeous new fan is up and running perfectly. Thank you so much, Samantha. Thank you, everyone. This has been Tyson Basic's Tech Tuesdays. Let me know in the comments below what else you'd like to see on this fan, and I'll gladly respond to your comments in the next video. Thank you so much, and see you in the next one.